You're about to learn the underground fat-burning secrets of elite bodybuilders, celebrities, and fitness gurus who use a little-known extreme diet system that literally forces your body to melt away 1 to 2 pounds of stubborn body fat every single day for the first 7 days, and then another 3/4 to 1 full pound of fat every day in the 2 weeks that follow. And yes, these results are typical. Hi there, my name's Brian, and I want to tell you a secret. It's a secret that's taken me over 7 years to fully understand. It's also a secret that the diet and fitness industry does not want you to know about. And as much as I hate to say it, it's a secret that your very own doctor won't even share with you, even though deep down inside they know it to be true. The secret I'm talking about has to do with weight loss. But not the same old eat less and exercise more type of weight loss that results in losing weight at a snail's pace. I'm talking about making jaw-dropping, rapid body transformation where after just 21 days, you've lost up to 23 pounds or more of pure body fat, trimmed 2 to 4 inches off your waistline, went down 2 to 3 dress sizes, developed a flatter stomach, increased your metabolism, skyrocketed your energy levels, lost significant inches of fat from your hips, thighs, belly, and butt, and have taken complete control over your body weight for the rest of your life. I'm talking about the body's ability to effectively do all of this and more in just 21 days.
I was obese and lost all will to live. The only reason I ever got out of bed were my children. I'm a single mom. I had one wish, to live enough to see them go to college. I know how it sounds. Night Slim Pro was my blessing. I feel amazing. I can't stop looking at myself in the mirror. I'm slim, I'm confident, my hair, my skin, everything is glowing, and my depression and insomnia are gone. And I'm ready to start dating again.
Oliver, initially I didn't believe a word you were saying. Not losing weight because you don't sleep well? That was crazy talk to me. But my wife kept nagging me, so I finally caved. You know, I still can't believe how much weight I've lost at my age. I look 10 years younger. I feel so strong, and my sex drive is back. My doctor's jaw dropped when he saw how good my latest test results were.
Oliver, you're amazing. I'm eating chocolate, pizza, chips, whatever I want, and I'm not gaining any weight. Finally, I'm one of those good-looking women that eats without guilt, and everyone is wondering, what's my secret? I think my husband fell in love with me all over again. Plus, never in my life have I ever slept so good. So thank you, thank you, thank you.
Hello everybody, today I have a very special review for you. First of all, just let me say that this is such a great product. It has helped me tremendously so far. I made the right decision. The best part is that you can reference and ask questions at any time to use this. Order today with confidence, and if you put this information to test for 60 days and you don't see results, and if you feel that this product does not help you, you will receive 100% of your money back. So that basically means that there is nothing to lose. Before purchasing it, I searched to find a discount and I found a huge discount. If you'd like to get the same discount, just visit the link below. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.
Before we get started, there's a special discount link for Night Slim Pro dietary supplement in the description of this video. Night Slim Pro is a brand new weight loss supplement that acts as a deep sleep support aid that targets the root cause of weight gain and excess belly fat, fractured sleep. Known as interrupted sleep syndrome, Night Slim Pro is a clinically proven all-natural supplement that supports the fat-burning REM stage so users can sleep sounder and burn belly weight overnight. What is Night Slim Pro? Night Slim Pro is a 5-ingredient formula that is to be used with a 10-second bedtime ritual that triggers massive weight loss overnight. Made and presented by Oliver Robertson and Dr. M, Night Slim Pro is one of the most unique products in that it helps the body sleep deeper and yet burn fat more efficiently due to its potent ingredients. What are the benefits of Night Slim Pro? Night Slim Pro is one of the only clinically validated natural supplements that enable the body to target the real root cause of weight gain in fractured sleep. By specifically addressing the fat-burning REM stage and tackling the dreaded interrupted sleep syndrome, users can finally start to overcome obesity and excess body fat each and every night. Pure, sourced from local growers that let plants naturally reach their full maturity and use no herbicides. 100% effective, prepared the right way and in the right amount in order to keep their properties intact. Safe, processed under strict sterile standards with regularly disinfected equipments. Night Slim Pro capsules are made here in the USA in a FDA-inspected and CGMP, certified good manufacturing practice facility under the most sterile, strict and precise standards to ensure top-notch quality and purity. Does Night Slim Pro have any side effects? There are no reported side effects for the Night Slim Pro supplement. It is sourced and made with all natural ingredients that are vegetarian-friendly, non-GMO and no stimulants. The ingredients are also not tolerance-forming, which makes for no drawbacks should users pause taking the supplement, although optimal results happen with daily continual use for the body to steadily utilize the unique compounds. Night Slim Pro conclusion. All in all, Night Slim Pro is tackling two major health concerns and conditions right on the head: obesity and lack of deep sleep. This combination is a powerful one if your body can optimize its nightly sleep patterns and fall into the fat-burning REM stage each and every night for maximum effectiveness and results. Given the gravity of obesity on the body, and the vital importance of obtaining enough sleep to wake up feeling refreshed and full of zest, Night Slim Pro supplement has to be a very strong consideration for anyone dealing with weight management issues or trouble sleeping through the entire night. Fractured sleep is a hidden health problem that must be addressed, and the beneficial nature of overcoming interrupted sleep syndrome is all but vital to your daily well-being. With the risk-free nature of the ironclad money-back guarantee and opportunity to use Night Slim Pro for a full 2 months to test its effectiveness and see the results firsthand, there really is no better option than to act now and try this popular weight loss sleep aid supplement. The 3- and 6-month packages are available with a deep discount included, but users can opt for a single-month supply to test and see how it fares for them. The 5-ingredient formula contains potent herbal extracts and plant-based nutrients that are all scientifically studied and have direct attributes designed to help the body function at higher level while you sleep. Night Slim Pro dietary supplement free shipping. Order now, and improve your health. Just click on the link below.